In this video, I'm going to show you a couple really easy ways to zoom in and out of your Photoshop file. Now, you see here, I have a picture here. I just kind of chose a picture, opened it. It's an empty file, not really going on. So there's three ways to do it. So if you're on a Mac and you have a MacBook kind of keyboard with you, if you have an iMac, it's kind of the same thing. So what you want to do for the first way is hit Command and then you hit the plus and minus sign. So plus is to zoom in, and then Command minus is to zoom out. This is probably the most common way people use the zoom in and out feature. Really simple, easy to do, really nothing to it. So the other way to do this is if you look at the bottom left hand side of your Photoshop file here, you'll see this 100%. That is actually, you can adjust this. So if I were to type in 150, it would adjust per the percent. So I can hit enter and it'll zoom out, zoom in, I'm sorry, and then you can hit, let's say 50% and it'll zoom out, and 100 to back, and then you can go right back and type in 100 and go right back to the original file size, you know, how it was looking on the screen. And the last way to do this is actually to look at all of your little options here, all the way to the bottom to the magnifying glass. And then that will bring up your cursor. It'll change your cursor to the plus or minus sign. So what you can do is click and click and click and click and hit minus. And then look very carefully up to the left-hand side here and hit plus. And that will zoom in. So basically plus is for zoom in, minus is to zoom out, to where you have a couple ways to really zoom into a photo. Make sure you're looking at something that you want to look at. Zoom out to get a better look at something if you're working on a special piece, but that's about it. Make sure to like and subscribe for some more easy YouTube tips and Photoshop tips and all kinds of other tips on your devices, and we'll see you guys next time.